Tonight's video is going to be short and sweet. Not too much to do about the rain today, as I'm taking the wiring harness out. The reason why I'm taking the wiring harness out is so I can wire in my Apexi air fuel controller. The reason why I'm doing this is just I figured it'd be easier to wire everything up outside a car. And I'll go in depth into that as I mock up the wiring harness here. And another reason why I'm doing this is because I had asked earlier today if anybody had a link or could find out where I'd be able to find a 12 valve wiring diagram for the Audi A4, and to no avail. I figured I would just make an in-depth one myself along with the process here. It is off. Fully disconnected. Started labeling a couple of things just as I went. Took the ignition coils off with it. So I know it looks like a pretty big mess in there right now, but I'm taking it off so I can wire in the Apexi tuner, or air fuel controller, so I can tune the car essentially. So we recently had an issue in my group where somebody had replaced the throttle body or throttle cable, I forget, and just didn't have enough tension on the cable in order to get compression, I guess, in the throttle pedal. So this little pain in the ass right here is a little retainer clip. This little retainer clip mounts on the opposing side of a bracket that looks sort of like this. That mounts to the throttle body. And that's what holds it in position, gives you enough tension on the cable.